So I just took off my dip nails in my previous video, and I'm going to show you how I like to prep and shape my nails. I'm going to be using an 180 grit file, an Orangewood stick, cuticle nippers, I'm going to be using cuticle remover. I am using the Blue Cross cuticle remover brand I got from my local beauty supply, and I just transferred it into a smaller bottle. I have alcohol, just transferred it into a spray bottle, a buffing block, and my e-file, which I was fortunate to take a trip to Vietnam, so I did buy this from Vietnam, but there's so many online like Amazon. And these bits came with the e-file. I'm going to start by using the cuticle remover and putting it on my cuticles. Using the flat edge of the cuticle stick, I'm going to just gently push back my cuticles and kind of give a rubbing motion to take off all that dead cuticle that is on my nails. After doing that to all of my cuticles, I'm going to go in with my e-file in the forward direction and turn it on barely even like a quarter of the circle on button. And I'm going to use this skinny tapered cuticle bit and clean on my nails anything that I couldn't get off with the Orangewood stick. After I'm done e-filing, I'm going to go in with my cuticle nippers and just cut any skin that's propped up and sticking out if I want to get rid of anything. I'm not trying to cut my cuticles because it's just going to grow back, and it might grow back even worse, so I try to avoid cutting my actual cuticle. Now for shaping, I'm going to take my 180 grit file and file the sides of my nails, kind of like a tapered coffin shape is what I was going for in here. And to shorten, I'm going to just file for the length instead of using nail clippers because I was lazy, I didn't have it on me. After I'm done with my filing and satisfied with my length and shape, I'm going to go in with my buffing block lightly just to smooth out the blunt edges of my nails that I filed. I'm also going to lightly buff the nail bed just to have it a little rough surface so that the dip powder can adhere to my nail and last longer. Lastly, I'm going to give my nails a spray with some alcohol just to clean up the dust. Then I went to go wash my hands to clean everything up, and this is what it looks like, and I'm pretty satisfied with the shape here. I've been trying to grow out my nails long, and I'm really digging the coffin tapered square look. Now it's ready for my next dip application. I'm going to go work on my other hand, and here's a picture of my nails that my brother took, and thanks for watching.